Ciao Flower guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Today is Saturday here in Samoa. Special fatalo for our members. I'm a little bit busy this Saturday, which is why I'm early here at the cattle farm, dropping off the water for the cows, and then I've got to head to Dad's village in Falealili, Malaemalu, to drop off some other stuff. So I think we might have to switch cars today. We'll pick up my sister-in-law's truck, so we can transport some of the other stuff to Wa. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Hope everyone's doing well. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and see you guys soon. So I don't see the cows, but it's understandable because it has been raining the past 2 days here in Samoa. So I think the cows are already, their thirst has been quenched. But you know, I'm really happy because we've been having a bit of a dry spell here in Samoa the past few weeks, and it's been so, the dirt has been so dry. So the rain we had was really good for the taro, especially some of the newer plots, but also for the older plots that are set to harvest soon. So it's amazing. If you guys look there, it's amazing how a small bit of rain the past 2 days can bring so much life back into the plantation, because the growth of the taro was a bit stunted. Don't know why, maybe because it was too dry, but yeah guys, really happy with the rain we received. Glory to God for the rain. But yeah, I'm just gonna drop off the water and then we'll head to town. Alright, again, don't see the cows, maybe because they're just resting on the other side over there. We did have another cow gave birth, which brings that to 2, but we have 2 more on the way that are likely to give birth as well. I'll show you guys the photos there. So yeah, we are planning to slaughter cows for Dad's funeral, but now things are a bit changed. But yeah, we'll see. We'll still do an assessment. I'll probably come back early today, back to the cattle farm towards the evening. Then we'll have a look at the cows to see which ones are good for slaughter, because I can't slaughter the ones that just gave birth. But yeah, but head to town now. Alright guys, so just finished, I just came by to take out some money so that we can finish off some of the shopping today here at Frankie in Lefanga, and actually met one of the fans, Isako there, from Sanapu, who's actually from Melbourne, but he's moved here to Samoa and also doing a plantation, so it was really good to meet him. And he also talked about he's got a drone and stuff, and probably go have a look and help him out getting that set up. So it was really nice to meet one of the fans again. Do apologize, you know, some of you guys have mentioned you know, messaged you know, if we could meet up and stuff, and I'd love to meet up, but it's just, everything's just so busy now with Dad's funeral. But I'll definitely make time in the future. But yeah, if you guys see me anywhere here in Samoa, don't be shy to call out. I'm always happy to meet the fans. So it was really fun meeting Isako there. I'm gonna head now to a pier, and then pick up the truck from my sister-in-law, and then we'll transport most of the goods to Falealili. Alright guys, so I just picked up the truck. I'm gonna head to the store to pick up the stuff with the family, then we'll head to work. Alright guys, so we came, I opted two options, either to go through the Maffa Pass, so that's towards Falefa, and then only because the road at TRV is still under construction, and with the heavy load, I don't want the truck to slip on the mud because it is raining as well. So I thought I might as well go through Maffa or come back here through Lefanga, which will all take us back to Falealili, but I opted to come back here through our usual route to here in Lefanga, so that we can also pick up a battery pack or power bank because battery is running low. So yeah, you guys see as well, notice these colorful flags on the side of the road. That's all preparation for the CHOGM meeting, the Commonwealth Heads of Governments meeting being held here in Samoa. I think these guys, so each village has their own country for their flags, and I think this is probably France. But yeah guys. Sri Lanka. Alright, we're up to the next village. The colors are red, yellow, and green. Now the reason why they don't have the actual flags is because it's hard to find those flags from the Commonwealth countries here in Samoa. So what the villagers have done is, what are the three colors on the flags, and then they'll try and replicate it just based on that. So I'm trying to guess what color this village is based on these colors: red, yellow, and green. It honestly looks like a stop sign, the traffic lights. But hopefully we see a flag soon, the actual flag that this village is doing. Oh no, so see, we didn't find anything. So move on to the next village now. I think this is Sanapu, and this is red, white, and blue, which was a lot similar to the other one we saw. And I think this it could be France again, I don't know. But yeah. Oh, we got it. Is that a Israel flag? The Star of David there in the distance next to the Samoan flag? Sure is. Alright. I'll update you when we get to the next village. I can't keep doing this, or else it might crash. If you guys have a look at this down the road, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Kind of looks like the inauguration date for the American president. Hello, hello. Alright, we've got some new colors here. Looks like white, green, and yellow. So comment down below what you think this country is. White, green, and yellow. Oh no, it's white and yellow. Okay, now we've got blue and white, so it's a mixture. I think we're at Lukfanga now. Just entered Vaie, and we've got green, yellow, and purple. Green, yellow, and purple. Comment down below what you think this country is. Alright, so we've just finished Vaye. Not sure, can't recall this village, but don't worry. I think I saw some Great Britain flags. Oh, there's another flag there, might be a blue. Kiribati or something? Oh, we're at Fusi. So we're at Fusi now. Colors are also, I see some green, or not green, red, white and blue in the far end there. So it could be, because we're actually closing in on the district which the king will be staying. So yeah, might be here. I do apologize, guys, if I skipped a few villages. I'm trying to record. I'm trying to get our episode in, but at the same time, I'm trying to hurry. My family's calling. They're waiting on us. Got my brother in the back there, and we've got a bit of rain, so yeah. I do apologize if I skip a few villages. It's oh, there we go. It's a run. It's what do you call it? We're running against time at the moment. So yeah, but we'll try our best. All right. At Falealili, we've got red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue. Comment down below what you think this country is. Just we've got rain clouds coming. It's raining now, so we're just fixing up the tarpaulin covering the load. All right, Great Britain, here we go. Right, so we're now at Siumu. After here, we're just gonna enter a bit of a forest, Tungtunginga, and then begin Falealili in the next village, Saleru, and then I'll try and catch as much of the villages as I can. But yeah. Alright, Tungtunginga National Park. Oh, that's what it's called. I thought it was a forest. It looks like a forest, but yeah. Need to drive, guys. Alright. Just entered Saleru. After Saleru, Kukasi, Pawai, Kauku, Afkafa, and then we'll be at Malaemalu, Dad's village. So I'm just gonna quickly hurry up and get there. Probably we'll try and get some more footage, but see how we go. We're running a bit late. Alright guys, so we've just coming towards the end of Kafkafa. You guys go back and watch this episode of the podcast. I talk about my life here at Falealili and how I was raised up here. Well, the good days of my young years. This is my primary school. One of the 7 primary schools I attended. See that primary school there? That's Ngenge Primary School. So this is where I used to go to school when I was young. And now we've just entered Malaemalu. So we're almost at the house, and then I'll catch up there. So I know most of you guys had this childhood that watch us based on the comments. See, a lot of you guys were living here in Samoa. But yeah. After school, I'd had to walk all the way back home. I think it was about probably 2 kilometers. in the heat. Tough days, but did pretty well. I think we did extremely well. Alright, so we're coming up to where Dad will be buried. So just show you guys here. You guys can see them. That is where Dad will be buried. And these are his sister's house. Just coming up to the house now. Alright, need to unload some of the stuff, so we'll be back. This is where I grew up, me and my brother. Yeah. Acha. Yeah, let's go. Just finishing up now. Need to go drop off the truck and then pick up my truck and then I don't know, probably go to the cattle farm. Alright guys, I'm finally home now, really tired. Yeah, I'm just going to get some rest now. I hope you guys have enjoyed the episode today. I know I did making it. You know, family Falealili is it's one of those things, you know, I really enjoy because it brings all the family together, whether it be a funeral, wedding, whatever it is. It's always good to, you know, the basic units in the Samoan, well, not, I think most countries, but the family, that's the most basic unit, and that's the most strongest, is family bonds. But yeah, I'm gonna get some rest now. I'm very tired. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and we'll see you soon.
Ito malupit. Lang kami po, sa makalang nga lapa. Ya, sino ba? Sino mo? Ay, sino ba? Kata.
Ave kono fafo.
Ya, kasi, oh, Papa Jesus. Oh,